Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I just want to quickly show you guys where you can actually run the Flux point one model, okay, for free without needed to go into the, for example, comfyui to create those images. Okay, so as you know, Flux point one is the new model created by the team who actually was creating Stable Diffusion. So it's pretty amazing. The results are pretty amazing. But to start using it, you don't need to go, for example, to comfyui, which can be complicated. But you can start, for example, with the places like Toast AI. Okay, it's one of the places where you can go log in and you just simply go and start doing this testing on your own. Okay, the other thing is you can go as well to fall.ai. Okay, another place where you can go and test Flux by point one. Okay, you just need to go and sign up and and start creating. Right. The third place, okay, which I want to show you is Hugging Face. Okay, the Hugging Face has also a place where you can go and actually start creating and testing the Flux point one. All right, so and it's a pretty straightforward process. You just need to log in, you just put your prompt, and you run it here, and the image is coming up. Okay, so for example, like this, all right, you just click it on it, and the thing is coming up pretty nicely and very quick. Okay, and those images are in a huge it's a huge difference. Even some people are in comparison to Midjourney, those images are quite amazing. Okay, so as I said, like Hugging Face. Another place is replicate.com. You just need to go and sign up, and you can start prompting, and you getting those images being created for you in a matter of few seconds. A few adjustments here you can make. Everything is easily done. So that's all. Those three places, one, two, three, four. However, I have another fifth place, which is Free Pick. Okay, Free Pick. It told recently that they're gonna introduce the Flux AI inside their platform. Okay, so bear in mind that that's gonna also be available on the Free Pick. Okay, so I just want to quickly show you in this video those five places where you can go and access the Flux AI without needed to go into complicated stuff like comfyui, and you can do it everything in a cloud as such. You can do it on those platforms. You don't have to do it anything locally. You don't have to download any sort of complicated software and do any sort of pre-installments before you can start using it. Okay, you can easily start using it in one of those places right away by just typing the prompt and do some editing into this prompt, and there you go, you have a ready Flux point one ready to use. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.